At the beginning of the 21st century, Doctor Masaru Emoto conducted groundbreaking experiments involving water. He exposed water to various emotions, afterwards freezing the water to see if it would have any effects on the forming ice crystals. As Emoto observed the ice crystals, he stood amazed by his discoveries. Love and gratitude. I can do it. Eternity. I can't do it. Evil. You disgust me. Emoto discovered that the formation of the ice crystals was directly affected by the emotional states surrounding its environment. What is this hidden force that we see affecting the formation of the ice crystals? For example, we don't visually perceive gravitational waves, but we constantly observe gravity's effects on matter. Similarly, we don't see the vibrational state that is causing the formation pattern of the ice crystal, but we can observe their effects on the formation. We also get clues about this hidden energy in Carl Jung's Seventh Sermon to the Dead. Jung himself stated afterwards that this information was given to him by higher states of consciousness, similar to how Nikola Tesla received information about his inventions. Jung writes, 4 is the number of the principal gods, as 4 is the number of the world's measurements. The growing one is the tree of life. It greens by heaping up growing living matter. Good and evil unite in the growth of the tree. In their divinity life and love stand opposed. How can we interpret this divine text given by higher states of consciousness? Jung first writes that there are 4 principal gods. The word principles comes from the Latin word principium, which means beginning or source. It is derived from the Latin verb principiare, which means to originate. Over time, the word evolved to refer to fundamental truths, rules, or guidelines that serve as a foundation for beliefs, actions, or systems. The growing source energy is called the tree of life and has its invisible effect on living matter. The common denominator within all living matter is water. Water is the medium that brings this universal source energy into material effect. How do we then determine the output of this universal law? We also learn that good and evil unite in the tree, in their divinity life and love stand opposed. All emotions derive from 2 polarities, love and fear. Every other emotion we experience extends as a facet of these foundational polarities. While often overlooked, every single action we undertake is rooted in an emotional undercurrent. Think about it. If you withhold information from your partner due to fear of consequences, that decision is based on the emotional polarity of fear. Given that humans are predominantly composed of water, and drawing insights from Emoto's experiments, choices rooted in fear inevitably only create chaos. Despite our professed desire for order, our unawareness of both ourselves and principles culminates in the very chaos we seek to evade. Humanity's aggregate unawareness of this cosmic principle serves as the very cause behind the most tragic epochs in human history. Only when 51% of the human population comprehends this foundational law of nature with both intellectual grasp and emotional resonance can we materialize the world we passionately proclaim to crave. The catalyst for that transformation begins within you. As above, so below. Thank you for viewing.